How to edit your profile in Agoda. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing you need to understand is in order to change your profile, we cannot do it through the application, so you need to open up a browser instead. So go ahead and open up a browser and head over to agoda.com, and you can just go ahead and log in using your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. The next step you can follow up is you can go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top, the three horizontal lines, and open up a menu. Now from here, what you can do is you may scroll down, and here we have this account option where you should be finding my profile option. So just go ahead and locate this option called my profile, this one right here, and tap on it. After you tap on my profile, it will show you all of your profile. Now to edit out your profile, you can just go ahead and edit it out through here. For example, if you want to change your name, you can just tap on your name, and then you can just cross out the previous name and then just go ahead and edit it out. You can also change your email subscriptions. You can edit your password, your phone number as well. And that is it. So that is how you basically edit out your profile on Agoda application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you on the next video.